Your strong recommendation that we should, as a Senate now, strongly recommend the re-establishment of this system of community policing, so that hopefully it will prevent future extreme religious activities, and even maybe report what is going on, because Shakahola may just be one of the things. There could be other Shakaholas happening quietly and we are not aware.
What ought to have happened is, at that particular time, because members were sensitized through the mantra of see, say, hear, say, suspect, say, so that there was a channel of reporting. You needed not go to the police station to have that thing reported and brought into the knowledge of the police. You reported to the most convenient place. You could even report to somebody in Nairobi, a person you believed he can take that thing forward.
When we left almost unceremoniously in November 2018, then the system seemed to start breaking down. There was no center to hold it together. And therefore, the prevention, the 4 pillars of prevention, problem solving, partnership, and productive action, and the reporting system that our chair has explained, reporting through the phone, through a certain number, and every member of the Nyũmba kumi knew that they can report something. So when that broke down, then a lot of information was suppressed.